Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to boost productivity on Windows 11. Boosting productivity on Windows 11 can be achieved by implementing various strategies and making the most of built-in features. Well, to do that, organize your desktop. Keep your desktop clutter-free by organizing files into folders. Use shortcuts or pin frequently used apps to the taskbar for quick access. Then use Task View to create and manage multiple virtual desktops. This helps you organize different tasks or projects separately. Then take advantage of snap layouts and snap groups to efficiently manage and arrange open windows on your screen for multitasking. Then utilize the search function and start menu to quickly find and launch apps, files, and settings. Just press the Win key and start typing to search. Then active Focus Assist to block notification and distraction during focus work hours. Then learn and use keyboard shortcuts to navigate and control Windows 11 more efficiently. For example, you can use Windows button and letter D button to minimize all windows. And then you can use also Alt plus Tab button to switch between open apps. So that's how to boost productivity on Windows 11. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.